It's just like when we first met 6 years ago. That was an accident, fate or curse as it. But this time, Ronan brought us together. Rex. I'm falling in love with you.
Your Majesty, the curse has kicked in early. We need to find your Tidecaller mate, fast.
If we don't, the curse will completely take over. You'll turn into a mindless, deep-sea beast.
I can fight the curse. I don't need any, mate. Increase the power. Max it out. Target me.
He's losing control! Hurry! Lock down the Forbidden Zone! Evacuate every creature! No one is to set foot inside!
I will be brave. I will not let
This is it. Place my parents disappeared. The legendary mermaid's cave. And it's marked right here on the map, the location of the lost Atlantis. Quick! Protect the research data! My notes are still in the cabin!
I die every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you.
Where am I?
Time has brought
What?
heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Is that really a legendary merman? He's trapped by these chains. Huh? Oh no, I can't breathe. Am I gonna die? I'm still alive?
Your Majesty, how are you feeling? The curse, it's actually suppressed.
She appeared. My Tidecaller mate.
Wonderful. We have to find her right now. She's the only one who can fully break your curse.
But, Elder, I sealed off the Forbidden Zone completely last night. No creature could possibly have gotten in. Your Majesty, it was a dolphin delegation. They ignored the prohibition and brought a human female.
The human? Forget it then.
But, Your Majesty, what if that human could carry your child? It would be the next heir to the sea god's bloodline.
Hold your tongue. No feeble human could endure my power. Should she conceive, the divine force will tear her asunder in labor. A doom she has chosen for herself.
Elder, pardon my boldness.
But why does His Majesty despise humans so much?
There was once a young couple who visited our kingdom. Back then, His Majesty's parents, the old Sea King and Queen, welcomed them warmly and became their cherished friends. As they were leaving, the Queen and King even gave them a conch shell to stay in touch as a token of their friendship. But those two betrayed us. A deep-sea fishing fleet quickly found our kingdom and looted it without mercy. That was when the Queen was taken captive, and the King, crushed by grief, soon wasted away and died. Young Rex, only a child at the time, saw everything with his own eyes. From that day on, he hated the land and every single human on it.
No wonder. His Majesty became the king at such a young age and rebuilt Atlantis into what it is today.
Indeed. For a child to rise from such hatred and become a king, to reclaim the glory of our realm, the trials he endured are beyond what anyone could imagine. Now that the curse is held at bay, I shall begin the search for a noble consort for His Majesty among the 7 sea kingdoms.
Monster! Ronan? Ronan, what's wrong with you?
I feel it. The blood of the sea god. He's in the human world.
This is weird. Really weird.
Doctor, is my son okay?
I just don't get it. We did a complete checkup. Every test came back perfect. Some of his levels are even better than normal. Does his father have anything like this?
His father? I don't know.
Then we'll need to look at genetic factors. We'll need more detailed tests.
How much will that cost?
Given his situation, $300,000.
300,000? Seriously? Where am I supposed to get $300,000?
Rain's coming. Ugh, my legs are killing me.
You still haven't gotten used to walking on 2 legs after coming ashore. Your Majesty, the sea brings word. The clans are restless since you still haven't found the heir. The High Priest suggests you take a new mate to calm things down.
Not interested. Wait. I can feel the sea god power surging.
The sea god? But Your Majesty, you said that child had almost no chance of surviving, and your search for the awakened sea god while undercover as a biotech boss hasn't turned up anything.
I'm not wrong. His power is on charts. This is definitely the sea god's energy.
Powerful, strong sea god energy? Could it be the one born to that human woman that night?
Shut up! I said never mention that woman again. I came ashore to find the new sea god. I'm done with humans, especially her, gone after one night. Tonight's tide will make the sea god energy easier to detect. Go prepare for this evening's lecture.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hello? What? A marine biotech lecture? This might help me understand Ronan's condition. Okay, I'll go.
Mommy, are you going to work again?
Yes, sweetie. Mrs. Nancy from next door will be here soon to take care of you. Mommy promises to bring back your favorite seaweed chips. Be a good boy and stay home, okay?
Okay.
filthy human! How dare you sneak backstage?
Sorry, but I'm not sneaking in. I just wanted to ask the professor a few questions after the lecture.
Ha! You crazy fans just want to get close to Professor Rex, don't you?
It won't take long. This is about a child's life.
Professor Rex hates human women, let alone kids. You should leave while you can.
Hates women? He's the boss of the biotech company and a professor who lectures everywhere. What a strange man.
You hear me? Get out!
It's her, the woman from that night. How dare she show up again?
Professor Rex?
Lowly human! How dare you speak Professor Rex's name? Professor! This woman snuck in like a rat. She wanted to attack you.
Don't touch her!
Professor Rex, I'm sorry to bother you, but I really need your help with something that's been troubling me for a long time.
She's completely forgotten me. Just another clueless, heartless human woman. After the lecture, meet me at my hotel. Michelle, arrange her transportation.
This lowly human woman! How dare she seduce His Majesty?
Don't you dare try anything else with Professor Rex.
Pull over here, please.
Are you even listening to me?
Ronan's favorite seaweed chips.
Isn't that the professor's favorite snack? How does she know that? That bitch!
Your Majesty, are you all right?
It's nothing.
You've never lost control since the curse was lifted. What's happening?
Maybe because of her. Forget it. Where's that human woman?
She's waiting at the door.
Let her in.
Oh my God, he's in the bathtub. Professor Rex, there's a strange disease. It makes land animals connect abnormally with marine creatures.
What? This is a sign the sea god is awakening.
And grow fish. Ah!
Son! You have a son!
Why does he look so worked up? Oh, right. He hates women and kids, too. No, I mean, it's just our neighbor's cat. We call him Son affectionately.
I'm overthinking this. How could a mere human body carry the sea god power? Answer it.
What? A date next week?
A date?
A date?
Don't mess around. We'll talk when I get back.
She's really that desperate to get a mate?
Sorry, Professor Rex. I need to go. Please look at the research data and let me know what you think.
I'll think about it. Wait for my word.
Oh no. I forgot to give him my number. Mr. Czar!
What?
Mr. Czar!
Miss Cora, were you calling for me?
Is it still raining outside?
Oh yes, pouring.
Here's my number. Please call me if anything comes up.
Zah! Tidy this up.
Yes, Professor.
Planning to hang on to that all day?
Oh, right. Miss Cora gave this to you, Your Majesty.
This is so weird. His Majesty actually seems kind of possessive over her. Wait, Could she really be his Tidecaller mate?
Huh. Doesn't look like it rained at all. Ronan! Mommy's home! Ronan? Mommy brought you your favorite chips.
Kora, you're back. Your adoptive mother took Ronan.
What?
Hello? Did you take Ronan? That's right. That little monster's been holding you back. I sold him to the circus. You should thank me, actually. Hello?
Ronan, please be okay. Ronan. Did you see a 5-year-old kid here?
Monster! It's a monster!
That dream, it was real. A real merman.
Let's see what kind of guy this human woman is dating.
Your Majesty, why are we rushing to Miss Cora's place so late?
To see the neighbor's cat.
Your Majesty, how did you get the door open?
It was open when I got here. Wait. That's sea god energy.
Ronan, Mommy's here. Sweetie, don't be afraid. Mommy's here. Happy birthday. Mommy's here. Ronan? Sweetie, did you get hurt anywhere? Doing this? Not dangerous anymore.
Thanks to you, he's finally calm. Now, I'm gonna turn him into a specimen. Young, and yet completely.
Ronan?
Get her!
Please, I'm begging you. Let my son go.
I'll gut him. On a world tour for big bucks.
Hey, want to try a married woman?
Oh, hell yeah! Got one right here for the taking. I want to hear her scream.
You dirty dog! I like it.
Let me go! You bastards!
Cry louder, bitch. Play nice, and maybe we won't cut you to pieces.
In the dark
Professor Rex?
my son.